Hi guys, so today we are making video on a very important topic, that how you start a YouTube gaming channel. So just to make things easier for you, I have come up with 6 things that you need to start a YouTube gaming channel. That's it, 6 things that you need to start a YouTube gaming channel. And then in the end of the video, I will give you a bonus tip that you will be needing, and that's probably the most important thing that will help you become a YouTube gamer. And that's pretty much simple. So guys, first thing first, if you want to make gaming videos, you will need either a gaming PC or console. So start with whatever you have. If you have a gaming PC, that's the best thing you can have, because obviously it has a lot of advantages. But if you have a gaming console, then just go on with it, don't waste the time. You have to start from somewhere, and that's the very important thing that most of the people don't understand. Then you have to take the first step. Doesn't matter where you are. If you have a gaming PC, if you have a low-end PC, even then you can start making gaming videos. So PC doesn't support the modern games, you can make the gameplay videos of smaller games, but you need to start at least from somewhere. Okay, so second very important thing is how actually you're gonna record that game. For this you will be needing a capture card, and that's only for the consoles. Which capture card will be the best for you? Then Elgato's capture card are usually the preferred one, and I will also recommend the same. The third thing is video recording software. So you will be needing these software if you are playing the game on your PC. So now your second question should be that which video recording software will work for me? Which one will be best for me? So at the top right corner of your screen, the card will pop up. Click on the card and that will direct you to the YouTube video in which I have already told that which video recording software you should have according to your PC's configuration. That either if you have a low-end PC or you have a high-end PC, and according to that I have told you that which one will be the best for you from paid one to the free ones. So once you have completed checking it out, we move on to the fourth important thing that you need to run a gameplay channel, and that is audio. Most people don't realize, but audio is one of the most important part and parcel of your YouTube video, and for that you need a good microphone. But breaking news, and the breaking news is that that's not the only thing you need to have a good audio, because there's one more thing that you need, and that is an audio recording plus editing software. And for me, the best one is Audacity. By using that software, you can also record your audio and then you can edit it for the best result. It has a lot of options. You can remove the background noise, you can increase the bass, and all the different options are there in Audacity, and that is the reason why all the YouTubers prefer it. And I'm personally using the software, and even though I don't have a good microphone, but this software really helps me to improve the quality of my audio. Now we should move on to the fifth thing that you need to run a gameplay channel, and that is a video editor. Because obviously the video that you have recorded, the audio that you have recorded, you have to compile them. You maybe need to have some effects on the video, maybe increase the saturation, the brightness, the contrast. You can play with all these different things and you can do many things, but you definitely need a video editor. Even if you don't want to add extra effects into your video, but you will still needing it to compile your audio and video into one output video. And the sixth and the final thing that for making a YouTube gaming video you need to make is a good thumbnail. But what you will be needing to make a good thumbnail, you can have different photo editing software. You can have Adobe Photoshop. To be honest, if you are starting a gaming channel, that is not necessary for you to learn all these photo editing skills, because it's quite easier for you. If you will search on YouTube, all the gameplay videos that you will see, they will be having very simpler thumbnails, and they're quite easier to make. You don't even need to have those skills. You don't need to learn the skills. You can simply create your thumbnails online. That is the easiest way possible. There are a lot of websites that allow you to make your thumbnail for free, and that are quite simpler and easier. You don't need those Photoshop skills. So as I promised in the start of the video, that at the end of my video I'll give you a bonus tip. So since you are still watching my video, that means that you are very much passionate about starting a YouTube gaming channel. So now I have decided to give you 2 bonus tips. Tip number 1. When you finally make a good gameplay video, and before uploading it to YouTube you realize that the video size is quite large, so I'm going to tell you that which software you will be using to compress your video, decrease your video size without affecting the quality of your video. Yeah, that's really possible, and for that you'll be needing a software named as Handbrake. Now how to use that software and what are the settings that you will be needing to have a good output video, now that I will tell you in my another video. Now the second bonus tip is not any software or hardware that you will be needing. This tip is about your approach, and that is consistency, because you need to realize that there are very different niches that you can target as a content creator. But you have chosen to make gameplay videos. That is a very much saturated field. So if you were starting a comedy channel and you would be making wines, then it would be easier for you to get the results. It would be easier for you to get the views and more watch time. It's not that it is not saturated, but obviously if you're making wines, it will be, chances are that it will be different than other wines. But because you are making a gameplay videos of the same game that has been played by a lot of people, so the only thing that may be different is the way you play it, and that won't be way different. Yeah, your voiceover, your commentary may be different, and it should be different, and it should be interesting. But still, this field is quite saturated, and you need to produce a good quality content, and still you have to be patient, you have to be determined. Normally it has been said that if you are starting a YouTube channel, you have to make first 20 videos even if you don't get any views. But chances are that after you make 20 videos, you will start getting views and watch time. For gameplay channels, it is quite difficult, and you need to be patient, you need to be determined. But let me tell you, if you follow all these steps that I've told you, that you will be making a good content, you will make a good gameplay video, and you will be getting the views, watch time, subscribers, and everything that you need. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my video. And if you have any query or you want to know anything regarding the softwares that I've told you, then you can surely comment below. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and I'll be joining you in the next video. Goodbye.